Going on, everybody? It's Sam again with Ithaca Hats, coming at you with another video. I have a couple things I want to do today. First off, what I'm going to do is start by showing you a hat that I forgot to include in my last video, or 2 videos ago, excuse me, that I got recently. I just completely forgot to put it in the video for some reason. That's my mistake. And then after, I want to do a little review on one of the new Hat Club drops. So to start off, this is a cap. I don't forget who their affiliate is. It might be the Blue Jays, but it's a great logo. It's a great cap overall, and I am glad that I picked it up. I forgot to put it in the last video. It still is really cool. This is going to be the Fort Wayne tin caps. Their home cap, it's like a forest green with their logo right there, which is a little apple with pot on its head, which is kind of like a nod to Johnny Appleseed, which is really cool. So this is a great cap right here, like I said, and I think the logo and the colorway of the crown go together really well. So yeah, I'm really glad that I got that in, and definitely a cap that I wear a decent amount, and it's really clean overall. What I want to go into next is Hat Club just dropped pre-orders for their Sugar Skull caps, which are really cool looking. I'll put picture on the screen right now. So the one that you guys just saw right there is obviously the LA Angels, and I think that one looks really good with the red kind of skull and the colored eyes. It really makes kind of the cap pop. These are available in 26 teams. I believe the only 4 they don't make are the Rays, the Orioles, the Blue Jays, and the Braves. But all their 26 teams have it. I definitely want to pick one of these up, but I'm not 100% sure which one I want to get yet. I love the look of the Diamondbacks. It's purple. It's like their 2001 logo with that color scheme, the purple and teal and copper. So that one's really cool. The Marlins looks great. It's like this year's Marlins, so it's that kind of neon blue and red with the black. That one looks awesome. The Angels one that I showed looks really good. The Rangers looks really good because it's like a bright blue. The Padres is pretty awesome. It's brown with the yellow because like that's the color scheme they went to this year. So those all look really good, honestly. And I think Hat Club did a really, really good job with those. And the only thing, obviously, it's going to be tough is it's a pre-order, so it's usually not guaranteed until October. So I know I have one of the spring training caps coming in from Hat Club in September. I'm not going to say which one, but definitely look out for an unboxing then. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, appreciate all the love you've shown and the support. I mean, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I hope to drop some more content very soon. Have a good one.